Okay, so in this video I want to introduce to you our craft transfer paper. So you will have two boxes here, 6 in a box. So in the first box you'll get all these colors. Okay, so it's nice funky colors. And then in the second box, 6 of these colors. So this is a craft transfer paper on a plastic backing. So basically you don't need a sublimation printer, you are going to use a vinyl cutter and then cut the transfer paper. Then I will show you how nicely it transfers two products and how it works. And you will also get silicone paper included in the packs for pressing. For these unique transfer papers, you only need a Cameo and a heat press to do all this stuff. You don't need a sublimation printer because these papers are already printed for you. So you can just cut out your nice design and then transfer it. So the first pack has these colors. And the second pack has all these colors. So firstly I cut it smaller because I want to do a mug. So I only need a small piece. So my design will be a Christmas design. See, there's the plastic backing. So the plastic backing will face your mat. So the Christmas design that I have for this has a name on the left hand side and then a design on the right hand side. So let's cut it out. I will also have a rectangle border in the template of a mug, so it needs to be in the correct size. So the machine will cut the border as well. Okay, so now we remove it from the cutting mat and I'm going to weed out all the letters. So the name letters will be removed. So everywhere that you remove a letter or a design, these areas will stay white on your mug. And then we're going to leave the whole border around the letters, so only the border will transfer. So I will show you what it looks like in the end. Okay, now I want to weed out my border, so I have to take everything around my border so that it fits on the mug. So there's my cut line. So I'll take out all the outer areas. Okay, so now I'm going to cut the plastic smaller, so about 1 centimeter or so border around the plastic border around the design, because that's the sticky part. So that's the back. Now I'm just going to cut another piece because I want to do a t-shirt as well, so I'm going to do it in 3 different design colors. So the first word I will do in this nice block design. And this one, I want to let the words be on the t-shirt and not the border backing. So I will remove all the access around the wording. And I'm going to remove all the areas in the wording that I don't want. Okay, so there's my wording. So these ones is cut out, the border is removed. So only the letters stayed behind and only my design stayed behind. You will see I have a plastic border around it. Also this one is only wording. The mug one, I wanted the border to stay and then the wording to be white when I transfer it. Okay, so let's put it on the mug. The plastic on this design is like heat tape, so it's sticky, so you can just line it up on your mug and stick it down. So make sure it's in line, you don't want a skewed design, so line it up perfectly and then stick it down. Okay, then we're just going to cover it with a silicone sheet, so I cut the silicone sheet small to fit around the mug. Okay, and I'm just going to use 2 pieces of heat tape and just secure it to the mug. can just roughly do it at the top. Okay, so I heated up the heat press and now I can put my mug inside. Okay, when time is up, put it in lukewarm water. So let it cool down, and after it's cooled down, we're gonna remove the print. Okay, I'm just gonna wash it off. And this is the mug. So the areas that weeded out is now white, and you have a nice border around your wording. And then for the t-shirt, I won't have a border, but it's only the wording that's going to transfer. So that's why I made these two designs, just to show you the two ways you can do this. And it's different colors that I'm using. So this one underneath that one. Just cut off most plastic around your design so that it fits nicely on your t-shirt. Okay, and it's the same, 190 degrees, 90 seconds, like you will do on any polyester t-shirt. When time is up, you can remove the print immediately. And look how colorful this is. So you don't need the sublimation printer. These pages is already sublimated, printed, and you can just cut out your design you need and then transfer it.